Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at system.io, but whether or not your Gmail address is sufficient enough. So I'm going to cover a really important system.io update, guys, in this video. So make sure that you do stick till the very end, and I will share with you every single thing that you need to know about this update. Okay, so let's hop onto my computer so I can share with you some more. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a Wednesday, but today, as I'm not going to be doing a training today, what I wanted to do is actually give you an update on system.io, because from now and then it's really important, I believe, especially for me supporting you guys, whoever's watching this video from my email list and so on and so forth, that you guys can also see that I'm giving you real-time updates, which is important. So system.io is just, gonna jump into it. System.io is the tool that I'm using. It's the only tool that I'm using. If I change other tools, if I consider getting other options, then definitely I will tell you about that. In fact, in today's video, I just want to show you also where you can take the next level. Now, I'm not yet there, but something that I would consider with system.io is I use system.io as my marketing tool, right? With email marketing, with my funnels, with my course creation, everything is done within system.io itself. They are an all-in-one tool. Therefore, you're gonna find other softwares out there that are more specific to that area of expertise. So let's say sales funnel building, they are pretty independent in my opinion and on par with the other funnel builders out there. But on the email side, on the other sides, they are improving, and in fact they're doing a lot of changes, and I will be giving you guys these updates because there are new methods now. They've automated, for example, some cleaning your list cleaning your list options that are available now. You can automate those. So there's a lot that's being done. They're working on their tool very actively, and I love system.io in itself. I will 100% be giving them the cheers and supporting them all the way. I don't know why I'm struggling for words today, guys. Just help me out in case you guys. I don't know why I'm struggling for words. But anyways, getting back to the topic, system.io is not. It's like an all-in-one tool, so therefore it's not very specific or not very targeted towards specific features. Now, for emails, for example, and I will. This is something that I also have a logic and thinking. Now, I've used Aweber in the past. I've used GetResponse in the past. It can be quite an expensive affair having email marketing done through these kind of tools. Now, don't get me wrong, they're amazing tools to have, but I have been considering in the future to move on to something like Flowdesk, right? Flowdesk, for example, is a way for me to build my email marketing using basically email marketing, but I would still have a little higher cost, but not as much as I would have with an Aweber or with a GetResponse. Okay, just to show you guys the pricing, just to see as it is $35 a month. So yeah, it's $38 a month if you pay monthly, and it's $35 if you pay annually. But just to show you guys here, this is how you can you can grow your list and stuff like that. Now, see, this is 14,000 subscribers. You're spending 35, just to give you guys an idea. And I will show you what I mean. Okay, if I go to Aweber and do the same thing, okay, I'm going to go to pricing, and this is just for you guys to understand, okay? And I do 14,000 subscribers, right? So let's do up to 14,000, 10,000 to 14,000 subscribers. That's how much it's going to cost you per month, guys, on a monthly plan, and on I think it changes. Let me see. Yeah, so it's going to cost you 180 every single month for that plan. Okay, and this changes as you guys can see. So if I go from 10,000 to 15,000, which is what we're trying to reach, right? I would spend 180 every single month with Aweber just using that. So it can get expensive. Now, don't get me wrong. As I mentioned, it's a tool, and Aweber is good, GetResponse is good, and everything else. But if you want to save costs, obviously I would look at something like this. Why? Because, and this is the beauty of it, even if I go to 100,000 emails, I'm still using Flowdesk email marketing, and I would spend only $35 a month. Can you see the difference on this kind of a tool? So I would look for opportunities and products like this, like Flowdesk, which is such an amazing option out there. You can have resources for free. You can have an API. You can have it to your blog. You can connect it through Zapier, basically from one to the other. So you would have two expenses. You would have $35 per month on Flowdesk, and then you would have your Zapier costs as well, right? So if you want to understand the Zapier costs, just to get you in the whole, just to do the entire pricing, just to let you know, if you want to pay monthly, sorry about that. you want to pay monthly, let's say you have just, I don't know how exactly it works, Zapier, but I believe you can have unlimited zaps. So this is the important thing. So you can have it for free if you have unlimited zaps, Zapier automation platform, unlimited zaps, two-step zaps, AI powered zaps. So this Zapier is not that expensive, right? So you're starting off for free until you reach 100 tasks per month, basically 100 workflows per month. So I could already get started up and running for free. And then at a certain point of time for individuals, you would, if you have multiple steps, apps, and so on and so forth, then obviously you go to the $54 per month. So then $54 plus 35. So let's just do 35 plus 55 to give it a rounded up figure. You would spend $90 a month, which is still less than what you would spend on a Weber pricing plan. Okay, so just to give you guys an understanding, there are options out there. Why am I talking about these specific email marketing tools? Because the update and the change that is done with System.io is with email marketing itself. So let me go into the System.io group. The CEO right here, Aurelian, he has added 22 hours ago at the time of when I'm shooting this video, but you guys will get it, I think, next week. So you see the video when you see the video, that's fine. But I wanted to share with you the updates. So there's, before you were able to log in and sign up into System.io without having an extra email address added there and so on and so forth. So there was Gmail addresses or Yahoo addresses, and you could now send emails directly to that, right? But due to different policies implemented by Gmail itself, by Google itself, and so on and so forth, there are going to be deliverability issues that come up here. So what System.io has done, which is just, it was a matter of time, to be honest, and that's why I personally got it from the get-go. I always buy an email domain, and you can buy an email domain from GoDaddy. You can buy an email domain from GetResponse, and basically it will give you access to. So when I'm sending an email, just to show you on System.io, okay, I will log in and I will just create an email very quickly for you guys to see. Just create a newsletter, just put test to show you guys. I might use it in the future, classic editor, and then just go save. Okay, so let's just open this test. As you guys can see, there are elements here in the test. You have the subject, you have the preview, and you have the name, and then you have this email address right here. The email address right here is what I'm sending it. So my domain is getpaidwithdave.com, which also has a linked email address to it. It makes it more professional, first and foremost, and it helps your deliverability and so on, so many other things. Now, I got mine in GoDaddy. You can get yours in Namecheap. You can get yours wherever. Whether you have another email address service like Flowdesk or Aweber or whatever, however you use your email marketing, you still, I believe, need to have a domain because it helps you in your marketing for the long term. So we're not doing this as like a side hustle here. We're doing this to set things up for the long term. Even if it's affiliate marketing, we're doing it for the long term, and therefore you need to have at least some kind of business expenses coming in. So I have a minor with your domain and with your email domain, it's a very minor expense to have on a monthly basis, and it's the cheapest. Okay, you have to take into consideration that this is how it is because of policies, privacy policies, and so on and so forth. Hopefully you guys understand that. So in order for you to get it, there are some help pages within System.io itself. In the email tab right here, you'll find all the email related questions. You can find out how to authenticate your email domain, which is your main. This is what you need. Okay, follow this article right here, and also check out how to improve the deliverability of your emails. These are tips that System.io is giving you, and again, they're talking about a domain right here. So these are two ways that you can, arrive at that training, because I know a lot of people might not know what to do. But it's very simple. Everything's in these articles right here. Otherwise, you go to GoDaddy, you go to your email domain, your domain server, and GoDaddy or Namecheap. Either way, either one is quite simple, and it's a plug and play. Just follow the exact steps that they tell you, and if you have any questions, reach out to GoDaddy support or Namecheap support. But hopefully this makes sense for you. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I wanted to make it specifically to give you the update on email marketing. I will still be using System.io. I'm not using a third-party service. I'm using just one tool until it becomes irrelevant for me to use that tool and I need to advance to another tool. Okay, so don't have other expenses. Understand what you've got and utilize it to the best of your ability. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to check out the resources, all are in the description. I want to see you guys on the next video. Make sure to watch the playlist and the other videos as well. At the end of this video, you'll see a couple of options available. Watch those videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.